Good morning. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have done with the chapter 4, that is using Python libraries. So in this video also we are continuing with this chapter with the some important questions which are covered in a board exam. So let us start with all those questions. So very firstly, one question will always come. That is the explain popular Python libraries related to data sciences. So this question always comes in from this chapter. So what are these Python libraries related to data science? So what is the answer for this? Very first is pandas. So panda is what? It is basically must for data science. It provides fast, expressive and flexible data structure which is basically easy to understand also. Again I am saying panda is what it is used, it is basically must for the data science. It provides fast, expressive and flexible data structure to easily work with any structured table, or you can say time series data. Second is what? That is Pyglet. Pyglet is again a one library which is related to data science, but it is a good choice for object oriented programming. OOP is what? It is object programming interface in developing the games. Okay, so Pyglet is what? It is a choice for an object oriented programming interface in developing the games. So this is two. Very first is pandas, that is basically it is must for data science, that is fast, expressive and flexible data structure which works with a structured and time series data. Pyglet is what? It is an excellent choice for the object oriented programming interface in developing the games. And third one is Fabric. Third one is what? Fabric. Now Fabric is what? It is a command line tool. It is what? It is command line tool. And with it we can execute local, or with it we can execute local or remote shell commands. So what is Fabric? Fabric is a command line tool, and this is basically used for what? For executing the local as well as remote shell commands, or you can say for upload or download files also. Upload or download. So you can use this for uploading and downloading the files, and even for the aborting and execution. What do you mean by aborting? Means to stop the execution. So this is the all three popular Python libraries related to data science. Again I am saying very first is the pandas, second is Pyglet and third is Fabric. Panda is must for the data sciences, and Panda produces the fast, expressive and flexible data structure, But Pikelet is an object-oriented programming and it is used for developing games. Whereas the third is a Fabric, that is a command line tool, and with it we can execute local as well as the remote shell command. So these are the three popular Python libraries which are related to the data science. No, we know this thing what a Python library, but in the chapter we didn't learn about the libraries which are related to data science. So these are the three libraries, and this question always comes in the 3 marks in the board exam. Okay, the second question which is likely to come in the board exam, that is, so today in this video we only discuss regarding the main questions of this chapter which comes in the board exam. So what is the second question? Second question is, what are the contents of underscore init underscore .py file? So what are the contents of this file? So we know when we want to make it as a package, when we want, we can say that this is a package. So in that package, this file is very much must. If this file is not present, it means that cannot be treated as a package. So what are the contents of this file? So it can be empty. It can be the empty, or it may contain मतलब वो हो भी सकता है और नहीं भी हो सकता. It can be empty or it may contain initialization code for the package. Initialization code for the package. Because this file is very much must when we said that this is a package. If this file is not present, so it will not be treated as a package. So this question is also important. Third question is what? What is a Python path? So Python, what is a Python path? So when we just install the Python, everybody just listen carefully. When we install the Python, there is one checkbox at the very bottom part of the installation, environmental variable. Set the environmental variable, and you have to click it a tick. Why? Because if that is unchecked, it means path is not added into the Python. So every time we have to set the environmental variables with the directory also, so that the Python will install and Python will run properly. So same is here. What is Python path? It is an environment. So what is it? Is environment variable with a list of directory. So these are those environmental variables when we install the this Python. So we have to check the environmental variable so that all the variables entered into the list of the directory. So this is that Python path. So next question. So the next question, what it will come? What will be the result of following statement with following hierarchical structure of package. So in this question they just give you the package structure of package PKT. They give the package structure. What is the package structure? PKT1. In that we have init underscore dot try. So it means this is a package. Why? Because it has a file that is known as a init.py. Second is module 1, module 2 and module 3. So module 1 has functions hello and print me. Module 2 has function count me, print int function. And module 3 has function this function, that function. So this is the question given. We have this package. In these modules we have these functions given. So what the question demands, if in the question what they ask, if they just write this thing, I'm writing here, what is import PKT1 module 1 dot hello. So what they said, what is the answer? Give reasons for your answer. What they tell, give reasons for your answer. It means they are just writing import PKT1 module 1 dot hello. Just see, this is a package, this is the blank init file. It means it treated as a package, module 1. Now in module 1 we have a functions hello and print me. Module 2 count me and print it. Module 3 this and that. So what they said, import PKT1. So whatever the packet is here, I just imported here in my program, import PKT1. So no error will become. Then write module 1 dot hello. So obviously module 1 it's okay. In that this is a function hello. This is also okay. But the thing is it will gives an error. Why it gives an error? Because as importing a packet does not place any of the modules into the local namespace. Because we are not writing here, we can't write it as a module 1 dot hello. Because this importing a package, because we are importing a package here, this importing a package does not place any of the module into the local place, because this is a local place. Module 1 dot hello, this is a local place, so we can't write it as like this. This function cannot be treated as a this. So what is the answer of it? This will give an error as importing, I am writing here answer, this will give an here, this will give an error as importing a packet does not place any of modules in the local namespace. Okay, so sometimes this question also comes like that. They write here in a one line, import. Okay, sometime I just write one more point here. Import pk t1 dot module1 dot hello. So sometimes they just write like this also, but this will also give an error. Why? Because using import syntax, the last attribute, this last attribute must be a sub package or a module. We can't write it as a function name as a last one. So it will again produce an error, because while importing syntax, the last attribute must be a module. It should not be any function. Here also this is a function, here also this is a function. So the thing is, it will always give an error because the last attribute must be a module. It should never be a function. So this type of the question always comes in the board exam. So this is all about the chapter using Python libraries, and in the next video we'll start with the new chapter. So continuously watch my channel and keep subscribe my channel to get the new notifications. Thank you so much.